In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Gemini Subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what each option means so you can confidently adjust your plan without any guesswork. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Gemini. Type the product name into the search bar and review the results carefully. Look for the official site, checking the URL and the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid ads or lookalike pages, and choose the link that clearly represents the official Gemini homepage. Once the site loads, go ahead and sign up. If you're new, follow the on-screen prompts to create your account securely. Use a strong password and keep your login details private. If you already have an account, just sign in with your existing credentials. After you're in, give the page a moment to load your dashboard. Next, locate the settings icon at the bottom left of the screen. It typically looks like a small gear. If you don't see it immediately, your sidebar may be collapsed. Hover or click to expand, and the gear should appear. Click the settings icon to open your account controls. From there, select Manage Subscription. This takes you directly to the billing and membership area. A new tab will open so you can keep your main session active while you review subscription options. On the subscription page, you'll see several choices. You can change your membership plan, change your payment method, cancel your membership, manage email preferences, and manage family settings. Think of this as your control center for anything related to your plan and communications. If you're here to update your plan, focus on the option to change your membership plan. Click Change Membership Plan. This will take you to a detailed view of what you currently have and what's available. Here, you'll see your current plan's features laid out clearly, along with any available add-ons and the option to upgrade to other plans. Take a moment to compare features, limits, and costs so you understand what you gain by upgrading or what stays the same if you keep your current plan. If an add-on fits your needs, review what it includes and how it affects your billing. This page is designed to help you make an informed choice, so read the descriptions carefully and select the option that best supports how you use Gemini. That's it. You've reached the place where all plan changes happen, and you're ready to manage your Gemini subscription with confidence.